With this, we have seen about all in the list except a bulk write, run command, and gridfs. Let me start with bulk write. New file. It's very easy. I'll be using the code portion from our existing examples. We'll be using the bulk write class. Use MongoDB /driver/bulk write. Creating a new instance of this. Bulk equal to new bulk write. Now we are going to use the insert, update, and delete methods in the bulk. To start with, I'm going to do an insert. Category, IDE. Oops. Name, it's going to be PHP Storm IDE. Come on, price $19. Similarly, I'm going to insert Visual Studio here with the price as 0. Then update. As you know, update has two array parameters. The first one is for filtering. So let me check the existing record here. NetBeans. The name is NetBeans here. Category, it's the same. I just need to do a set here. $set. Update is done. So NetBeans will change into NetBeans IDE. And finally, I'm going to delete this one. That's a drone parrot. Name is, I have a name already. So we have 4 operations, 2 inserts, 1 update, and then 1 delete. In the next step, I'm going to use the manager execute bulk write method The first argument is going to be the database name, followed by the collection name, it's products, and then the bulk. This step is not required. Similarly, this one is not. So we have a manager. On that we have called the execute bulk write. We have used the bulk write class, which is under MongoDB driver. And then we have called 4 operations on that bulk: insert, and then update, and finally delete on that. So let me run this one. Refresh, products, view documents. NetBeans ID is changed, updated successfully. Visual Studio is inserted. Yes, it's done. Price is 0. PHP Storm IDE, yes, inserted with price 19, and then drone parrot is gone. So this is how bulk write works. This is very simple but very useful for batch operations. Gridfs with PHP, this is an important and useful topic, but currently there is a minor issue with the installation and configuration process for the MongoDB library. That is, under Composer's MongoDB SRC directory, you may not find the gridfs directory. This is in most cases. So you may need to pull the source from the GitHub, and then you need to manually replace this SRC folder's content with the GitHub's one. For instance, the issue faced, it will be like this. If you search for MongoDB GitHub PHP and then navigate to the PHP library page and to the API. Under this API, you can see we have a namespace gridfs. So there must be a corresponding directory under your Composer's MongoDB SRC location that is available under this C users, username, vendor, MongoDB SRC directory. If it is not available, you just need to download that from the GitHub source directory. That is this one. You just need to download the zip file and unzip the source contents under this. So you'll be getting the gridfs source code here. After this only, you'll be able to work with gridfs and MongoDB. Let me create a new PHP file for that. Demo grid. I'm going to use the code portions from our existing samples. We got the manager. In the API, we have a class bucket under this gridfs namespace, which has key functions for finding files in gridfs collection and uploading a file as well as downloading a file from gridfs collection. We are going to use that class bucket. It takes 2 parameters in the constructor. One is the manager, the another one is the database name. After this, we are going to use the upload from stream function, which is going to take file name as a parameter and a resource as a second parameter. So the bucket class here, new bucket. The first one is a manager parameter. Second one is a database name. I'm going to use the demo PHP DB for this. That's done. Next is a file resource. Let me use a local file which I have already saved. langs.jpeg. Langs.jpeg, yes. The mode. That's done. The final step is to use the stream method, upload from stream, upload from stream. The first parameter is file name. Let me give a random name, demo grid, and the resource, that's $resource. That's it. This is going to create a new collection and insert this file into that. We don't need these two. Manager, yes. Let me run the code now. Done. Refresh here. Yes, we got the new collections, view documents. Demo grid is there. Click view file. F1 view. Yes. This is the file which got successfully uploaded through our code. It's just a 3-step procedure. You need to get the manager, then you need to create a bucket class with this manager and the database as a parameter, then create a file resource, pause the file resource here, and close the file resource after this. This is how GridFS works with PHP, and always do remember to replace this src folder with the content from GitHub. In MongoDB, we have a run command method. In PHP, we have execute command, which we have used for our list databases sample. We have seen the available databases using the execute command against the admin database. To learn more about commands, just Google for MongoDB commands. It will list you the various command options. As I mentioned earlier, this is similar to the run command method, which is available under MongoDB. So this example we have seen previously for listing the databases available under admin database. So let me use the same for a different purpose, a different set of command. It's going to be demo command. For example, if you want to get details about the database, you can always use the dbstats method and the database you need, php demo db. I want to get the stats of this particular PHP demo DB. This command dbstats, if you search in the command list, you'll be able to find that. This gives you the report storage utilization statistics. We are going to run against this PHP demo DB. This is the result of this dbstats command, which is going to give you the storage size. So in future, if you want to execute a command, just refer to the MongoDB database commands document. get the related command, and then use the command class and the execute method to execute against the preferred database.